Jabra Elite 85T earbuds. Power cable and different size earpieces. Secured with magnet, both the lid. The lid is a bit flimsy while open, but it's fine. There is a small mark here indicating left and right. The sound quality is good, in my opinion. I find it quite fine. On the left ear there is ANC toggle, and on the right one there is pause or play. There is ear detection on these, so if you take one off it will toggle them off. This is the button to press on the right one, and then here on the left one, here is the mark left and right. They're quite nice.